Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I'll show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet. First open Google Wallet. It can be in your app drawer, but you do have to install it. It does not come pre-installed on the HONOR X5c Plus. Once you're here, press the plus and add a loyalty card. Then select the service you want. You can search, of course. For example, let's pick Kaufland. Now you can scan the card using the camera or enter the details manually. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.